her too.
Seems like there's a lot of cheap imitations out there. Every cool dude has a different mood. Each time you turn the musical page, another new face becomes a rage. But me, I only sing the blues. Slide down a jazz swing, play my flutes. Every day another new gimme. Impersonators trying to mimic. Avoid the word, just wanna cruise. Everyone wants to win, and no one wants to lose. These sack of seeds are trying to lose. Uncle Billy has the blues.
Wallet, please.
Crazy Al? When have I ever had any money for you? I live next door to you and your mom.
My name's not Al. I mean, I'm not Crazy Al. Wallet, now, please.
Al. It says your name right there. You got that tattoo when we were in high school together. Oh!
Well, maybe if you made better art, you wouldn't be so broke.
And how do you suggest I do that?
Your compositions are unbalanced, and your subject matter is immature.
Shit. Like anything is balanced?
Maybe. But treat your canvas like you would anything in life that you care about, and your audience will care too. Now get the fuck out of here.
Ish. After what you borrowed.
Charlie, it's not much.
I haven't been able to sell this new stuff. Maybe you need to take some time off and recharge. Soak up some inspiration. Then come back and dive into your work.
Nah.
You look like shit. There's a key to my lake house. I'll text you the address. A few days at the lake house would be good for you. Get yourself a good book and unplug.
Good book. Sure. got any good books around here or what?
Ish.
Ish and Dijnakas.
Ishinagidijnakas.
Ishkade.
Any family history of mental illness?
I wouldn't call it history.
Be careful, little flame. You might get wet.
I still don't know what your name is. Well, that was new.
CB and Dijnakas.
What is this?
Every 3,000 of your years, our clan ceremony begins. And we start a new generation.
Your clan?
The Nibinabe.
Wait. Mermaids?
What's a mermaid?
So wait. You're telling me that those are your... Hey, I hope you're hungry.
Ingawanagam. I don't eat that though.
What the fuck is that?
Seaweed, Chris. Have you ever tried me?
Smells fishy.
Well, it smells like fish. But it tastes like chicken.
Do you mind if I walk you? This neighborhood can be a little...
The men where I'm from can't. They have the body of a fish.
How did they go to the bathroom? Crazy hell.
Fucker! We should probably go.
What are we doing here?
We'll be safe here.
Safe where? Wait, ZB. I can't swim very well. Can't swim very well.
It's getting late. Sun is going down. I'm home alone. Ain't no one around. Thinking about your love. I wanna give you a call. I need your love here with me before I fall. Because when I'm with you, when I'm with you, I feel like I'm home. I'm home.
Ish? Are you a ghost?
Can I come in? A ghost?
What is this? You died.
I'm not dead. I'm in a lot of trouble.
I was at your funeral. You died in the lake. They never found you.
Do I look like I died in the lake?
Come in. Your obituary.
What? This can't be real.
You've been gone for 3 years.
How can that be?
Where were you?
The lake.
You never showed up at the lake house.
I was on a date.
A date? A date with who? Was this another one of your benders?
No.
Being a dead artist has its benefits.
What's this?
You've been selling work since you've drowned. Too bad you're alive. It's been good for business.
Charlie, this is a lot of money.
There's more. I'll have to go to the bank.
Wow. You are the only one that knows I'm alive.